Step 1. Classroom activities. Let's get started with the class section. The class section is used to plan your classes and to display videos and classroom activities. First, there is the plantilla or template. The template is where content is organized in different levels. You can select the level you need. The level's overall objective is displayed next to the level number, along with the estimated completion time and outline. Once you have selected a level, you can select a unit. Every unit or chapter also comes with its objective, estimated completion time, and outline. You can also download the complete teacher and student ebooks. Every unit is constructed along the same lines and made up of different modules. A module is a series of activities designed to master the subject. Our content is fun and broken down into easy-to-understand modules. Every unit we have starts with a vocabulary module that sets a strong foundation for the unit. We follow up immediately with as many grammar modules as the unit requires. The applied grammar modules help students to implement grammar in context. We then put vocabulary and grammar together in authentic situations with real Spanish people. Communicative approach modules are crucial because they show how Spanish people interact with each other and how vocabulary and grammar work together. The Authentic Situations module is followed by the Idiomatic Expressions module, which recaps the various idioms used throughout the unit. Idioms make conversations richer and more meaningful. We follow up with a Spanish culture module, which introduces students to incredible legends and places, and to some of the most mystical cultures in the world, like the Aztecs, Mayas, and Incas. Then there are also optional literature modules that enhance written expression and written comprehension. Finally, there are exams, which allow you to assess how much of the unit the student has mastered. Each one of our modules includes classroom book activities and My Spanish Software homework activities. Methodology is easy. First, you introduce the vocabulary and grammar in the classroom. You may use the Más Allá books to do so. The books include the list of words with pictures and definitions, or grammar explanations, as well as some activities to practice in the classroom. Your students will master vocabulary and grammar through each module's homework section. You may use the Applied Grammar module as a 15-minute quiz for your students. The quiz can be done on paper or by computer. Computer quizzes are graded instantly. Now, let's move on to the communicative approach, where our system makes the classroom come to life. Remember to use videos and books for classroom activities. Before watching a video, introduce students to any challenging keywords or expressions. Then watch the video.
¿Vas a ir a la excursión? Sí, ¿vos? También. ¿Sabes quién va a ir? Sí, Carlos.
The books will present students with true or false questions designed for basic understanding of the video. Students are challenged with more detailed multiple-choice questions. And of course, cultural and socio-cultural aspects of the video are addressed. Students are presented with questions for reflection to help them draw comparisons and establish parallels with their own culture. Watch the video again and have the students fill in blanks in the script this time. Students are also presented with open-ended comprehension questions designed for more detailed understanding. Finally, students are asked to role-play the situation presented in the video among themselves. This activity gets students actively speaking. At this point, they are at the crossroads between theory and real-world Spanish speaking. The same can be done with the idiomatic expressions, Spanish culture, and literature modules. Along the way, you may assign students with individual homework. Students can get the necessary individual practice they need using the student portal. You can also search within the template by keyword. Note that the search box can only be found on the module title page. Click the Go to Unit button to see the entire unit that module belongs to. Congratulations! You are now ready to successfully use My Spanish software.